Hello guys, I'm back in Thailand. You can notice from the kitchen and from my hair that are now with the humidity and the helmet is very difficult to take care of them. Because I'm here, I want to prepare a homemade marmalade or homemade jam. In this case, we will make a blackberry marmalade. For this, we need 1 kilogram of blackberries, 2 apples, 1 lemon. We will use the juice and the skin, 200 grams of brown sugar, and half teaspoon of salt. We will not use the pectin because we can find directly inside the fruit. This is why I will use also the apple. And more you work the fruit, more will be easy that the pectin will react with the acidity of the lemon and with the sugar. So now I will clean and cut the apple. I will remove only the seeds, and after I will smash them with a mixer. I will add the sugar, the lemon, and then the blackberries. If you don't like the seed inside the blackberries, you can use how it's called, that one that you see, to remove the seed. If you smash the blackberry inside this, the seed will remain in the container and the pulp and all the fruit will fall down in the pot. But because I like also to taste a little bit of seed, I will cook like this. So let's start cleaning the apple. Put on the stove. We have to boil our fruits. After I will tell you how long time I have boiled it, because it's up to you if you want more sticky or less. After 1 hour, our marmalade is ready, or our jam is ready. Now that is very hot, we can put directly in the jar. In this way will be preserved easily without a problem. If not, you can follow the instruction that you will find at the end of this video. I will put a link of my friends, l'uomo di casa. Now it's too hot. Tomorrow we will test it. Now I will go ahead to put my marmalade or my jam in the jar. See you tomorrow. Spectacular. Will be more tasty with the homemade bread or in the cake. Why it's better to make the marmalade or the jam at home? Because the one that you buy usually have 35, maximum 50% of fruit. The other thing are jelly and sugar. In this case, the fruit will be 80%. Okay guys, remember to subscribe and leave me a like. Bye bye!